I'll tell you what a weekend that was.
It's been amazing.
That was absolutely brilliant.
But can we rewind the clock a little bit?
Go on then.
I was chatting to old Jim.
Old Jimbo.
Old Jim.
Old Jim.
That man's, he's got some history, isn't he, that guy?
He's got some history,
and
that lad.
just listening to the passion that he's got for nitro and the 1/8 scene, I was like, I need to have a go at this.
Oh no. Can I just say something about him though?
Go on then.
You know when we did the vintage GP?
Yeah.
Right? That Jim, or James,
yeah,
we call him Jim, don't we? Because
yeah,
it's short for James, ain't it? He was, all day in the blaring heat, he was out sorting that track out.
I know.
They had a bit of a work party there, and then some of those guys went, and he was still there when I was packing up. Because you did the off, didn't you?
Well, I think places to be.
Yeah, but like, I turn around and he was there. That guy, when you say passion, yes, he does.
Yeah. But he's got me wanting to do a bit of 1/8.
The smell, and it's the closest thing you can get to motorsport without spending an absolute fortune. Because a tier up from that is go-karting, which is you're going to hemorrhage money, aren't you, doing that? Yeah. Let's be honest. And then you got Formula 4, is it? Whatever it is. And then you got this, that, and that. Oh, it's mega. But you really feel like you're there, you know, with the people with their headsets and fueling the cars up, and the cars absolutely nail it down the old little pit lane and the pit stops and everything. Mate, I am up for doing it.
I'm not. Well,
what the hell's wrong with you?
They smell.
Yeah, but the smell's
that
nice,
means
doesn't it?
I can't have them on the dining room table like this one. So
hang
I'm
on.
thinking.
So you're telling me you don't want to do it just because your missus is going to say, "What's that smell?"
I want to experience the big track, but I'm thinking modern technology. E Buggy's the way to go.
I think you're probably right. Listen, the thing is, we got a lot of cars. We pop along, don't we? That's what we do. We pop along. We do this. We do that. We do the other. We just don't have time. You know, Pitman Dave, the legend that is Pitman Dave, let us borrow his car. Didn't he? That time.
Did.
But Talbot racing that.
We got these, haven't we?
Got these.
We've got these Corally XB6, 6S compatible.
Yeah. But that is more of a basher, isn't it? Because there are people online, not that we don't do the whole going to the skate park and all that old sort of thing, but you know, there are people jumping them crazy high and they're surviving and this, that and the other. But that's what they're built for. But we race them, don't we?
We do race them because Corally are renowned for being racers. They're world champions.
Yeah.
It says it on their logo.
Yeah, they were. Yeah, indeed.
So, here's the thing, right?
So what? What are you talking about?
I'm thinking what I might do.
What are you thinking?
I want to take some electrics out of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? Why?
Because it's a good buggy.
Yeah.
But if I take the electrics out of that, and I stick them in one of these,
right. I did see that box sitting there, and I didn't really say anything about it. All right, electrics out of this. Hang on a minute. So, what is this first and foremost?
This is the SBX825.
Right. Okay.
High performance racing buggy, 4-wheel drive, Team Corally's Pro Spec race buggy. Now, this comes in two formats.
Go on.
You can get a metal chassis,
which
I think is the 7075.
Right.
Chassis, or you can get carbon fibre.
Right. Which one is that one then?
Full Monty Boss.
The full carbon fibre. Hang on a minute. So that's a carbon fibre
1/8 buggy.
1/8 buggy, and you want to take the electrics out of this and put in there?
Well, that's not a race buggy, is it? This is a race buggy.
Now listen, me and you differ slightly, don't we? When it comes to things like this, I do like to do things proper. So I have actually got a bit of an idea. It just come to me. Look
at that shell, boss.
They've even cut it out. I love that. They've cut it out.
And
go on.
Your biggest complaint about those ones is the fact that you can't see through the windows.
This is a proper buggy. This is a proper E Buggy. This ain't
proper race buggy.
This is right. Okay, so I wonder if it fits on that actually. Yeah, it does. So this is a proper race buggy. It deserves proper electrics.
This is going to be an amazing car. Now, if you don't want me to put the ready-to-run electrics in it.
No, it ain't
Maybe,
go on,
because this isn't going to be a one-off video, is it? It's going to be a series of videos.
We will do a lot of videos.
We're going to do a build video.
Yeah,
we'll do a test video.
Yeah.
We'll probably meet up with some pros.
Yeah.
We'll travel to some tracks. It's going to be a whole series about the 1/8 buggy racing scene.
So what are you thinking?
Maybe we could get someone to sponsor it. So we've got Corally.
Someone to sponsor it.
But
that'd be good.
is there anyone that would rather see some decent electrics going in?
All right. So what you're saying is, if
We
someone
need servo
sponsors it,
and some electrics.
we need a servo. We need some electrics, and then we could put all their stickers on the
all
car,
over that shell.
Yeah, that'd be good, wouldn't it? I wonder if is anybody out there, anyone who want to sponsor this? Otherwise,
Maybe there's a shop that wants
help
a
me
little
out.
bit of
Help me out.
pushing.
Because if you don't sponsor this, he's going to whip the stuff out of this and stick it in there, and we're going to lose. Now you know me, I don't like losing. Yeah, I don't like losing. You don't care about losing. I do care about losing. That's why I'm a bender.
You are.
I am. Anyway, that's another video. But so there you go. So we'll see what comes. Drop it in the comments if you're up, or message us if you want to sponsor this build. Let us know. Otherwise, he's going to whip stuff out of this, which I can't have. Anyway, shall we look at it?
Have a little look. So we have got here. Oh,
Yeah.
it's bag 3, bag 15.
Bag 15.
I like it already. So they actually have got different bags. You just work your way through.
Oh,
Look at those shocks.
Nice. This is proper, mate. This is. They are not messing around. Corally want to get back up to where they once were with the racing, don't they?
Carbon fibre.
Yeah.
This is all nice. Look at that. Oh. That looks lovely. Yeah, I'll check this out.
Oh. Hey, that's nice, isn't it?
That
Carbon
is.
fibre chassis.
That is very nice. Let's have a little butcher's.
God, look at that. Wow, that is nice.
That is very nice.
That is nice.
So what we've got here.
Manual.
Window mounts
Window
for
masks,
the shell,
window mask,
and
stickers,
some Corally stickers.
stickers.
We could put the Corally stickers on the shell.
Yeah.
But what electric stickers should we put on there?
I don't know. It's up to
There's
them.
some Corally ones in there, so we could double up the Corally stickers.
We are not putting the stuff out of this into there. Please, I can't. I don't want to do that, mate. I don't want to get to a track and people are going to go, "That's a nice car. What you got in there?" And nothing wrong with Corally stuff. Yeah, it's great for bashing, but as soon as you put things on a track and you got, all this good tech and that, we're just going to be left in the dust, brother. You were just going to be left in the dust. It'd be embarrassing. Yeah. There's not really much to show the good folk here, is there? It's just a bunch of bags and things like that. What's that? Oh, the side bits on there. Yeah.
It is very nice. I'll tell you what.
What?
Now, here's the deal. Okay.
Go on.
What I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Okay. Whip the electrics out of that. Build it up.
Yeah.
Put the electrics in there.
Yeah.
That, I reckon I could probably have this built in about a week.
Right. And then it fall apart because you rush things.
Or, we don't rush perfection.
Damn right we don't rush perfection.
You take this away.
Yeah. Somebody sponsors
Build it up.
Yeah.
And if no one wants us to put decent electrics in, put those in.
Well, we're not going to have any choice if no one sponsors it. We're going to have to get the electrics out of this, aren't we? Fair enough. Well, there you go then. That's the answer. Please go. Please, somebody help. Somebody help. It looks very, very nice. I'm thoroughly looking forward to somebody sponsoring this and me building it, if I'm honest.
It might be a person, mightn't it? It might be.
Could be a shop.
It could be a shop.
Could be a shop.
It might be. Might be a manufacturer.
Could be a manufacturer.
I don't know. What is the go-to for an ESC?
I don't know. It used to be
1/8.
It used to be a hobby ring.
The max power things, isn't it?
I don't know. I know nothing about 1/8. I know 0. I don't even know what servo to put in it. I haven't got a clue.
Ah.
What?
So, we do need to know what to put in it, don't we?
Yeah,
so
we
maybe
do.
put that in the comments. But if no one says anything, there's perfectly alright servo and stuff in there.
Well, we'll see what happens. If you think you can help us, get in touch. If you don't think you can help us, don't worry about it. No pressure. It's all good.